Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming battery health percent and peak performance capability so you know why you're replacing it. Next, power the iPhone off, eject the SIM tray, and place it on a flat, ESD-safe mat. Now, remove the two bottom Y000 screws, apply a small suction cup to lift the display, and slide a thin pick to open. Be gentle because visible cables sit near the top. Keep screws and parts labeled. You will need them in the exact order later. Once the display is open and tilted, unscrew the battery connector bracket and carefully disconnect the battery to prevent shorting. Then remove any adhesive pull tabs. If they snap, heat the rear with a hair dryer to soften glue. Slide a plastic card or pick under the battery from the bottom edge and pry slowly, applying even force. Do not bend or puncture. If adhesive is stubborn, apply 90% isopropyl to weaken glue and keep connectors away from metal tools. You now position the new battery into the frame, press the adhesive strips so it seats evenly, and reconnect the battery connector before reattaching the bracket. Reseat the display, replace the Y000 screws at the bottom, and power the phone on to confirm charging and a renewed battery health reading. If the phone doesn't boot, make sure the battery connector and display cables are fully seated and no screws are missing or misplaced. That single loose screw can cause shorting or no power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.